This product is about 3 months old, and I took it on in June. I just want to show you this term over here with 100,000 searches a month. This is the term we went after, and it took about 10 days to get to the top 10. And I want to show you the result that it had on sales. 5/1 to 5/31, we did $27,000 in sales. This is from one product. Let's look at June. Keep in mind that June was Prime Day, so there was extra sales for those 2 days. What we did, we rode the wave. We ranked it in the perfect time for Prime Day, and look at the increase. This is from 1 month prior, and this is from the next month. This is from June. We did $110,000 more in 1 month from one product. That's a huge spike. This is because we ranked it for the main term. If we didn't rank it for the main term, we would have got a small increase in sales. But the whole thing was we ranked it to the top of the page, so the whole world is seeing us, and it was Prime Day. That's what made it such a big effect.